Which one did I do?
That one.
That
Like
one.
that,
Yeah.
And I can finish it off with a big sweep. I can go that either direction now. And backward in the canoe.
Oh my.
We heel the boat, we tip it over to one side because it takes the ends of the boat out of the water. It'll turn faster if the ends are out of the water. We also like to do what we call hitch the boat. And I'm not going to do it very well here because I'm going backwards. Let me just turn around. As I go into this maneuver, I'm going to move my body forward. Back end of the canoe is going to come out of the water. And that helps it turn. See the back end?
Yeah, yeah.
The more I heel the boat, the further it comes out. Now some people do take these maneuvers far closer. They get the water line close to the rail. I don't, because, like I said, because I already took a shower this month, all right? But we do, some of us anyway, start paddling to music. When I first saw Freestyle, it was one of those videos, and I thought, I don't care about the song and dance. I want to know how to make the boat do that. And after taking some lessons on how to make the boat do that, I was out paddling one day and I happened to have my cell phone with me, turned some music on, and just paddling with the music, I knew this transition in the music was coming up. And I hit a maneuver, and I thought, my smile got this wide. Oh, that was cool. And the canoeing addiction was already there. It just got way worse, or better, whatever your politics is. So I'll do a quick demo with some music. We have Logan the Magnificent back there running the sound system. This is also a tribute to Joe Seliga. I never met the man, but especially this weekend, from what I've learned about him, he needs tribute. Wait. Okay, now.
Bye-bye.
Way up in the North Country fair, where legends are born and people take care, where the bondy water, the rest of stone, the river known, I'm proud to have known. Joe Seliga, my friend, see you around the bend. Joe paddled these waters on his right, learned to build canoe in his father's time. Raised a family of his own, became a master builder, world renowned. Joe Seliga, my friend, see you around the bend. With a twinkle in his eye, praying set, a recipe for the good life for everyone he met. With Nora his wife, By his side, he built the skill to the day he died. Joe Seliga, my friend, see you around again. Now the magic continues, though he's gone, and the good up to the quintuple, and back again at the end of the road, the journey begins. Joe Seliga, my friend, see you around again. Way up in the North Country Fair, where legends are born, and people take care, where the bounty waters, the red stone, first lived a man, I'm proud to have known. Joe Seliga, my friend, see you